So I'm going to show you in Orca Slicer how you can split objects. And this is the first time I've learned it, and I want to share because I couldn't find much about this. So I just downloaded this Pixel 9 Pro XL case, and it was a step file, and it wouldn't fit on my build plate. So quickly I'm just going to go back through the process and show you how to do it. So this is the original file that I downloaded, and as you can see I can't get it to fit. Normally this is what it looks like right here. If you click into objects and then you right click on your object, you can click split and you can split it to objects. And then you have each object individually, and you can rearrange these on your build plate however you'd like. So move that like that, move that like that. And we can just arrange them however we'd like to have them. So hopefully this helps if you download something that you want to split into multiple parts, well, into multiple objects. And if you learn something, like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.